We define the differentials dy equal f prime of x times dx, and f prime of x is the first derivative of the function. How do we use differential? Let's take a look at an example of how to calculate dy and how to evaluate it. So we have a function y equal x squared plus 2x. In order to calculate dy, we just need to plug it into the formula. So dy equal f prime of x. So we take the derivative of this function. Using the power rule, we get 2x plus 2. That is f prime of x. And this whole expression, we need to multiply by dx. So that is the differential. Okay, so it's important that you know the differential. Whenever the question asks for the differential, you always need to multiply by dx at the end, and it is relevant when we study integral. And how do we evaluate a differential? So given the point x equals 3, we just plug it in. So dy, when we evaluate that, equal 2 times x equals 3 plus 2 times dx is a whole. Okay, this dx is not d times x, it's a whole thing. It represents the change in x. The change in x is 0.1. So you use a calculator. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8 times 0. So this expression equals 0.8, and that is dy.